Today we're making cashew cheese. Hi, I'm Linda Purcell from Veggie Outlaws. Today we're making cashew cheese. So hop on board and let's get cooking.
To a food processor, add 3/4 cup raw cashews, 3 tablespoons raw pine nuts, both have been soaked for at least 4 hours, 1 cup milk mixture or vegan milk of your choice, 3.5 tablespoons nutritional yeast, 1 1/2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 1/2 tablespoons coconut oil, 2 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 1/2 teaspoon arrowroot powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground allspice, pinch of nutmeg, and freshly ground black pepper. Process until smooth and creamy, about 3 to 5 minutes. Scraping down sides as needed, add 2 cups roasted butternut squash, 1/2 head of roasted garlic bulb. Blend until smooth and creamy, about 3 to 5 minutes, scraping down sides as needed with a rubber spatula. This creamy concoction is a natural to add to vegan mac and cheese.
Now it's time for the taste test. Okay, here's our cashew cheese cracker. So stir up the like button and subscribe.